travel the world looking for adventure. I spread the word of fitness. This is only the beginning. What's good, everyone? We just slept for 6 hours. I literally just woke up the same way. We're heading to Ohio next, so people please reach out through DM. Let us know if you have a place to stay, a gym to train in, or a place to eat. Let us know, let us know, let us know. We need your help. We're about to eat a big steak omelet. Had a good night of sleep. Matt's couch was very comfortable. We're looking for places to stay on Ohio right now, so I'm texting, I'm DMing, and that's always a struggle, you know. Before you go to a place, you need a place to stay. So I'm gonna reach all my connections that I have and try to figure out if someone else or someone lives in that place that we can stay. But for now, let's just have breakfast. Steak, hash browns, green peppers, onions, mushrooms, tomatoes, and cheddar served with our salsa, and then get a pancake stack on the side. Let's kill this breakfast and then head to Nashville. So we got out of the car, ate some pancakes. We're at least gone for like 45 minutes. We get into the car, engine was still running. I don't know, we're just still sleeping. This is where all the country music is made. So the best country artists are all from Nashville. And there's a crackhead without a pants. They see me rolling. Leaving Nashville now, our biggest struggle is to find a gym that we can train it for free. We got some contacts in Louisville. Let's see what's happening. Gotta get some gas. So it's important during these trips that you take enough pauses in between, because even if it's like during the day, you get real tired real soon. It's only road coming ahead of you like this the whole time. So you get sleepy, your eyes closed. You need to stop at least every 3 hours. Get some coffee, get some water, get some food. Got some banana bread at the gas station. We're about to have a workout in like 45 minutes and we needed some energy. So it's pretty good actually. It's a little dry but not too bad. Freshly baked. We're here in Louisville with my man Gerald. What's good? We're doing chest today.
Yep.
And I'm looking forward to this workout because I've been sitting in the car way too long. So just popped the pre-workout. That's it. That was it. That was it. They're all kind of low in calories and we need our calories. Got one here at 400. Gerald is hooking us up with some meals. Thanks for a good workout, bro. No problem. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it too. And we're going to his place now, take a shower, and afterwards head to Ohio. We're at the Cardinals campus. It's like a village. Let's get some food in though. I'm hungry. For sure. Looks good though, right? We got fajitas, chicken and rice. Okay, saying goodbye to Gerald. Thanks, my man. No problem. Didn't I say it right?
No, that was perfect, yeah.
Probably fit in it. There we go.
That's the University of Louisville.
All hail, University of Louisville. Boom. All hail! We didn't pay for any of the food, so Gerald hooked us up with a meal, with a protein shake, with something to drink, and he even gave him some snack for on the road. So that set us back $0. We were discussing to do fast food again. Yesterday was Wendy's. We just drove past Burger King, and it was seriously even cheaper than Wendy's. Wendy's was for $4. It was $4 for a burger, some nuggets, some fries, and a Coke. And here was $3.29 for 2 burgers, fries, and a Coke. Ridiculous. Well, we were like literally standing in front of the Burger King, like, are we going to do this again? And the answer is no. So we're going to the gas station, getting a quick snack, taking a piss, and then hopefully we'll get, you know, run into something that is a little less shitty. We're done with all the fucking fast food.
Just go right up here.
Yep. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So, I just told you I didn't feel like fast food anymore. What? I just told you I didn't feel like eating fast food anymore. But when I see a White Castle, I've never been here, but I watched a movie, Harold and Kumar Go to White Castle when I was younger, and I'm super fucking excited to get those tiny ass burgers. It feels almost like the end of the trip. Fuck New York, I'm going to White Castle. Mini burgers, 2 fries, 2 Diet Cokes, set us back $12. $2:39 a.m. We are on our way to Philly to get some Philly cheesesteak. I'm getting gas. Oh, just got all my gas. 27 bucks for a full tank. Boom. Coffee, I need coffee.
I used to do that every day for Samantha.
Last night I found it.
That protein was way too good. Dat is het pas aangast, toch? What time is it? Let me see. 6:40 a.m. Slept beside the road in the car. It was storming, raining, thundering, bad weather. So the tent was no option, and proceeding the drive was no option as well, because the weather was so bad I couldn't see shit. I was sleepy. I thought, like, let's pull over. We're at Denny's right now, getting some coffee. Then we're back on the road, another 5-hour drive towards Philadelphia, where we got a hotel waiting for us. Thanks for the hookup once again. We really need it. And that's where we will upload the next episode. So, yep, I'm not feeling fresh at all. I'm going to exchange my flip-flops for my shoes. Text. Celebration time. We just hit 5K on YouTube. Three cups of coffee later, fully energized again. I'm a coffee addict. Yep, so we got hooked up with a hotel in Philadelphia and we got hooked up with a hotel in New York, and I can't even fucking tell how happy I am that we got hooked up, that we got the hookup. Two different people reached out to us and they were actually willing to pay for our stay, and it's amazing to me. It's amazing. I have no words for it. Thank you guys. Looking forward to going to Philadelphia, seeing the stairs of Rocky. Rocky has been one of my favorite movies of all time. I was a huge Rocky fan as a 10-year-old and I can't wait to see the city. Let's get on the road. Start the engines. Driver, stay on the right fucking lane.
Just out walking and got weights at home, following you.